Hello my sweets, welcome back to Beauty Meets DIY. This is Helen. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a good day, a good week so far. So for today's DIY, you're going to need a canvas. This one is a 16 by 20, I believe, and I did find these flat ones at Ross. I do prefer the thick ones. Nonetheless, this works fine. And here, over time, I've accumulated some of these pearl necklaces that you can find at Party City, Dollar Tree, Walmart, that sort of thing. So for today's DIY, I got inspired by this awesome artist that I came across online. Her artwork is just absolutely gorgeous, and I'm trying to mimic as best as I could what she did. I know it doesn't come close, but believe me, I am determined to perfect it. So basically what you're doing here is that you're just kind of creating some wave patterns, you know, like kind of like what you see in the beach, just waves. And here, just to create some contrast, I'm grabbing these flat pearl stickers that I probably got once upon a time at Dollar Tree, but you can find these at Michael's or any of the craft stores. Again, these are flat and they just create contrast because the necklaces are a little more 3D and chunky. So again, I'm just creating those wave patterns. As you can see, I'm following along the beaded necklaces, and some of them I'm applying off-centered. So again, just trying to go with that wave pattern that her artwork reminds me of. So this is what it's looking like so far. You can add as much or as little as you want. So now these round gems are from Walmart, and I'm applying these as well, again, to create contrast. And these are rounder, they're bigger, chunkier, so it's just gonna again create a few different looks within this canvas. Guys, you see the big thumbs up back there, right? What does that mean? Stop what you're doing just for a second and give me those thumbs up. Nothing's gonna let me know more that you want me to do more videos, you want more content from me, you like what I'm doing, than those thumbs up. When I see those thumbs up, it just lets me know that I should continue and bring more content to you guys. So I really, really appreciate that. Okay, so at Dollar Tree, you're gonna need some caulk. And obviously you wanna create a hole, and I went ahead and created my hole a little bigger because how can I explain? Like, you want, when you squeeze it out, you want it to be thick and chunky. Like, you want these big fat when you squeeze it out. And these were okay, but I wanted them even chunkier than that. And I recommend you pick up maybe like 2 or 3 tubes to have in hand, just because it starts out thick and then kind of thins out, and you know, you just want to have some extra on hand. And that's just kind of like what I'm applying, these wave patterns within the beads and that sort of thing. So here what I'm doing is I'm just applying a little more, just again another form of texture. And yep, that's right, use your whatever your kitchen utensils, or a hairbrush, a comb, whatever it is that you want to create texture. Again, this is what I'm using to create my waves, so to speak. And I think it worked just fine. All right, so she didn't have shells on hers, but because here in Virginia it's summer, and I just love anything nautical and beachy, so I'm going to place this one in my bathroom. So I grabbed a bag of shells from Dollar Tree, and here in this section I'm just applying the different type of shells. And again, this is optional. I just decided to go with this just to give it my own little take on it. Now I did create 2 canvases. This one I'm going to spray paint a chalk with a chalk spray paint, and this one is in a chiffon cream. As you can see, that's the color of it. And I did get this at Walmart. So this is a chalk paint because her artwork has a very matte look to it, very matte, and I think that's what makes it so unique. There's really pretty much no sheen. I picked up this color at Walmart as well. I like the color, but I ended up using the cream for this one. But I definitely want to try this color, it's so pretty. And off camera I created another canvas, and I spray painted it with the ultra matte spray paint in black. And this is how it turned out, you guys. I absolutely love this. My husband loved it so much, and my daughter. I really, really love it. Again, I like anything nautical, anything beachy, especially now in the summertime. I will place this in my bathroom. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know how you like this. I do recommend that whatever paint you, because even with this chalk, I can see a sheen, and I don't know why. It should be matte. So whatever paint you use, if you do want to mimic her artwork, hers was very, very matte, and nonetheless, this turned out absolutely gorgeous. I want to know if this is something that you're going to recreate for yourself. And coming right up, you're going to see the black one. Let me know which one you prefer out of the two, or if you love both. And if you are going to recreate it, I want to know what color you're going to go with. She does do different colors, but for the most part, she does black and white. But I do see her using kind of like a pink, peachy color and that sort of thing. It's just so, so beautiful. And I was really inspired by her. This is how the black turned out. I really do love the way this one turned out. It's the can set ultra matte, but honestly, I see a lot of sheen, in which I was really disappointed. So although I do love the way that it turned out, if I had to do it again, I would make sure I would use a very matte paint that I know for sure is going to be matte. But I love the way this turned out. And again, I appreciate your opinions and what you guys think. Let me know again if you're going to do this. And thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your continued support. Thank you for those who have been ordering the new glitter colors, the Tiffany blue, the royal, and the pretty and purple. You guys are loving those colors. And just stay tuned, because my next video I will be recreating or creating something using the Tiffany and the royal blue. So again, stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Give me those thumbs up, and I'll see you very soon. I'll see you next week with a brand new video. Take care, guys. Be safe. Bye.